How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it look like you got a visit from old Saint Nick by projecting a video on your window from the inside. And the best part is, you don't have to spend a bunch of money to do it. You ready? Here we go. The idea is simple. You take a mostly transparent fabric, I'm using a frosted shower curtain, and you project the video from behind. I tried just projecting on the window, but that didn't work very well. I tried with a transparent shower curtain, and that wasn't much better. I know there are plenty of really expensive options out there if you really want to maximize the effect, but for me, I'm cheap. I like to find the best possible result for the least possible price. It's hard to beat the price on a Walmart shower curtain. Now you need a projector. There are a lot of projectors out there that'll work. The one I'm using is this one. It's the Yanko Cinemango 100. I love that name. The main feature that this one has that others I've tried didn't have is this little hole right here for a tripod. Seems like a small and maybe a silly feature, but getting the projector in just the right spot is really important, and without a tripod, it's a pain. So I really appreciate that this projector includes this feature. Otherwise, it's nice and bright with 4,000 lumens, which is probably the next most important feature. If it's not bright enough, it'll look kind of crappy on the window. This is only 720p, which for my purpose is fine, since I'm not going for super high resolution. I'm projecting onto a shower curtain, for goodness sakes. And also the focus and keystoning dials are easy to use. Keystoning is going to be really important for this kind of rear projection display, because you don't want the projector to be right behind the curtain, or people looking through the window from the outside will see it and it'll wash out the image. You need to have the projector either above or below the window level, and without keystoning, the image will look kind of wonky. Another important feature of this projector that I'm going to take advantage of is the SD slot. You can put a USB drive in, that's standard on a lot of these projectors, but this one has an SD card slot. So I'm going to use that to store the videos that I'm going to display. For audio, I could either use the audio out jack, or this does have a couple of decent speakers in it. Next, you need some video clips to play. There are some you can buy. Atmos FX seems to be the leader in this department, but I also found plenty on YouTube by just searching for rear projection loop. That's what it's supposed to look like when it's done. That's not what I need. This is what I want. Yes, Santa in your window. Once you've found a video you like, grab the link and then open VLC Player. Hopefully you have VLC Player. If you haven't, go download it. It's a great program for all kinds of video things. Go to Convert Save. Under Network, paste in the link for the video, then hit Convert Save. This should be the source. We're going to convert it to an MPEG-4 720 TV, and it needs a file name, Santa from YouTube. That'll work. All right, then hit Start. I'm not sure if it needs to play this whole video or not. I'm going to let it play. I think it's currently saving and converting it right now. Once VLC is finally done converting that file, you can copy it onto the SD card or USB drive or whatever you're using. Now we can eject it and put it in the projector.
So my frosted shower curtain is hung on the window. I've got my downloaded video clip on the USB drive plugged into the projector. I've got the projector a little bit below the level of the window, even though we're on the second floor actually. This is the second floor window, so you're not going to see the light. So last couple things, set the focus and adjust any keystoning if we need to. That looks pretty square. Could probably actually move it in a little. Okay, that's probably good enough. Focused, keystoned. Now, last thing, we want to make sure to set it to rear projector. So that's important. This projector has the ability, maybe they all do, I don't know. But you have to set it to tell it that it's a rear projector so it'll mirror everything. Right there, projector mode, front, we're going to change it to rear. Do that last because then it makes all your menus backwards. Back to this to input USB 1, and now it's backwards, but that's what we want. Okay, there's our video. Video for Christmas. Gotta press play. If you just hit OK, it won't play. This is just a preview. So we're gonna press play, loading. Now we turn off the lights in here, and we go outside and see how it looks. All right, what's going on, girls?
I'm freezing.
You're freezing.
My feet are
We're in
freezing.
front of the house, and there's Santa up in the window, huh?
Yeah, I guess Santa now lives in our house, so now I can't go in the tour room. You can see all the cookies.
Where'd he go?
He went to go get something. He
Oh, he's back.
Go get
Oh, he's getting milk and cookies. That's new.
Oh, awesome. Yummy.
Dad, I wish we could take off that middle part so we can actually see it.
Yeah, the window thing.
But actually, kind of looks good because it's like a real window.
It is a real window.
Oh my gosh, my feet are freezing. Can I go see it inside?
Yes, you may.
He's going to eat cookies and milk. Oh, he's reading a letter.
Fun, fun, fun.
My dad is so creative.
Well, what do you think? I know it's not original. It's not like I'm the first one to do it. But that's the first time I've done it. I think it turned out really good. I'm happy. The kids are giddy. I'm a little giddy myself. A lot of fun to be had with a cheap projector and a shower curtain. That's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, adios. And the best part is, you don't have to spend... If you need help or want to chat with me or others who also enjoy projects like this, you can find us on Facebook and Discord. If you like what I'm doing and you want to support me, you can use my special product links in the video description, or head over to Patreon, or just like and share my videos. That's easy. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, this box will take you to a playlist of some of my favorites. In addition to videos like this, I also do live streams every Sunday. This box will take you to a recording of the latest live stream. That's all for now. Adios.